Welcome back to the JPRO training series. In this video, we're going to teach you how to use JPRO's expansive list of bidirectional tests. Also known as bidirectional controls or commands, these functions allow technicians to send commands to the vehicle, receive a response back, and actuate a component or change parameters. Technicians use bidirectional tests for a few purposes, including isolating and testing vehicle components, performing parameter adjustments, and initiating a reset procedure. Bidirectional tests are available from a variety of locations in JPRO, like fault guidance and subsystem diagnostic screens. For this video, we will access the test using the bidirectional button on the main toolbar. JPRO has built-in protections and resets for the vehicle in case the wrong test is performed or if a command is canceled before completed. You should only perform these tests using a wired vehicle adapter to prevent damage to the vehicle. In the pop-up window, you will notice a list of tests on the right and components on the left. If you switch components, the list of tests will change to reflect what is available from that system. To learn what each bidirectional function is used for, select an available test and a description will appear below the list. As one of many examples, let's perform a cylinder cutout test. Here you have the ability to add or remove data items to monitor while performing a cylinder cutout. By default, a few data items are pre-selected. Carefully follow the bidirectional test preconditions. Using the graphic, click on a cylinder to disable or re-enable fuel injection. With this test, you can easily isolate defective cylinders and test for issues that would prevent a cylinder from contributing. You are now ready to command bidirectional tests, one of JPRO's most popular features.